For thousands of years, the pyramids of Egypt have stood as silent monuments above the desert, inspiring awe, speculation, and countless myths. Their sheer size, precise construction, and alignment with celestial bodies have led many to question how ancient humans could achieve such feats without modern technology. Were aliens involved? Were slaves forced to build them? Or did the Egyptians possess lost super technologies? Today, we will explore the myths and reveal the truth behind pyramid construction. The most famous pyramids, located at Giza, were built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, around 2580 BCE. The Great Pyramid originally stood at 146.6 meters, constructed from an estimated 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. Such size has fueled myths of alien assistance, but there is no archaeological evidence of extraterrestrial involvement. All evidence points to skilled Egyptian labor using simple but effective tools, careful planning, and human ingenuity. A common myth claims that the pyramids were built by slaves under brutal conditions. Ancient Greek accounts and later interpretations perpetuated this idea. Modern archaeology shows a different story. Workers were skilled laborers and seasonal farmers, well-fed, housed, and even buried near the pyramids. Inscriptions reveal pride and humor among the teams, proving that pyramid builders were respected participants in a national project, not enslaved labor. Some myths suggest advanced lost technology was used, such as levitation or machines unknown to modern science. Archaeologists, however, have found copper chisels, dolerite pounding stones, sleds, ropes, and ramps. Experimental archaeology has repeatedly shown that these tools, combined with human organization, were sufficient to cut, transport, and position massive stones with remarkable accuracy. Ramps are another point of contention. Critics claim ramps would require more material than the pyramid itself. Evidence supports multiple ramp types: straight, zigzag, spiral, and even internal ramps. Temporary ramps were dismantled after construction, leaving little trace. Experiments show that wet sand reduces friction for sleds, making it feasible for teams to move multi-ton blocks across the desert. Some myths claim the pyramids encode advanced mathematics, astronomical constants, or hidden energies. While the structures reflect careful geometry and star alignments, these are outcomes of observation, experience, and symbolic intent rather than advanced science or extraterrestrial influence. Alignments with stars such as those in Orion's belt were symbolic pathways for the king's soul, not cosmic coordinates or energy generators. The curse of the pyramids is another popular myth. Stories of death and misfortune befalling tomb explorers are widely circulated but have no basis in ancient texts. Warnings were practical, meant to deter grave robbers. Modern incidents often result from environmental hazards, mold, or bacteria, not supernatural forces. Transportation myths suggest stones were impossible to move over long distances. In reality, local limestone came from the Giza Plateau, high-quality casing stones from Tura, and granite blocks from Aswan. The Nile served as a natural transport route, with canals and docks facilitating movement. Teams of workers using sleds and ropes could efficiently relocate massive blocks. Simple physics, organization, and human skill solved what some imagine as impossible challenges. Another persistent myth is that pyramid knowledge vanished mysteriously. Construction declined due to political decentralization, resource constraints, and changing religious practices, not lost wisdom. The architectural evolution from mastabas to step pyramids to true pyramids demonstrates clear progression, experimentation, and learning rather than sudden genius or supernatural influence. Media and popular culture have amplified myths by emphasizing mystery over evidence. Phrases like "experts are baffled" or "science cannot explain" attract attention, but cherry-picking features of the pyramids distorts understanding. Myth thrives on selective evidence, repetition, and a human desire to simplify the extraordinary. Reality, while complex, is far more inspiring. The truth is that the pyramids were a product of human ambition, organization, and expertise. Workers were grouped into divisions, labor was managed carefully, and construction spanned decades, not overnight. Climate and Nile flood cycles allowed seasonal labor, while agricultural surplus supported the workforce. Trial, error, and learning were part of the process, as seen in the bent pyramid, which changes angle mid-construction, a visible record of experimentation. The pyramids also reveal the Egyptians' profound knowledge of astronomy, geometry, and engineering. They achieved alignment, structural integrity, and enduring durability through observation and skill, not magic. Their achievements challenge modern assumptions about ancient civilizations and highlight the timeless power of human creativity and collaboration. Understanding pyramid myths does not diminish the wonder of these monuments. On the contrary, recognizing the methods, planning, and human ingenuity behind the pyramids deepens appreciation. They are not products of aliens, slaves, or lost civilizations, they are the result of deliberate, intelligent, and inspired human effort. The myths that surround the pyramids, curses, alien interventions, secret technologies, impossible logistics, persist because humans struggle to reconcile all with reality. It is easier to imagine magic than to appreciate disciplined labor, mathematics, and organization. Yet the real story of the pyramids is more remarkable, thousands of people working together, overcoming natural and logistical challenges, creating a monument that has survived over 4,500 years. Today, the Great Pyramid stands not only as a tomb but as a testament to human potential. Its construction teaches lessons about teamwork, persistence, innovation, and the ability to achieve seemingly impossible goals. Myths may entertain, but truth inspires. By understanding how the pyramids were built, we honor the intelligence, resilience, and vision of the ancient Egyptians. In the end, the pyramids continue to captivate because of their scale, precision, and history. They are not mysteries of impossible origin, they are triumphs of human capability. Appreciating the truth does not reduce their grandeur, it elevates it. The story of the pyramids is the story of humanity itself, ambitious, resourceful, and enduring. Myths fade, but the legacy of human achievement remains. The persistence of pyramid myths also teaches us about ourselves. They highlight how easily awe can be mistaken for impossibility. When humans encounter something remarkable, there is a tendency to invent supernatural explanations. Yet the real lesson of the pyramids is that careful planning, observation, collaboration, and patience can achieve the extraordinary. This is a timeless lesson for every generation. Finally, the pyramids inspire because they were built with permanence in mind. Unlike many modern structures designed to last decades or centuries, the pyramids were meant to endure for millennia. They are symbols of long-term vision and human ambition, preserved through organization, skill, and dedication. No alien technology or mystical power was needed, only intelligence, labor, and will. By debunking myths, we do not take away mystery, we enhance it. The real story of pyramid construction is a story of human brilliance. It reminds us that even without modern machines, humans can achieve monumental feats. It teaches respect for our ancestors, appreciation for their innovation, and a deeper understanding of what is possible when people work together toward a shared goal. The pyramids will continue to inspire generations because they are not merely stone structures. They are the embodiment of human potential, collaboration, and ambition. Their myths entertain, but their reality empowers. In understanding the truth behind pyramid construction, we honor the creativity, ingenuity, and endurance of ancient Egypt and are reminded of what humans can accomplish when intelligence, effort, and vision unite.